Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a math problem. It's Jill has 6 cats and 7 dogs. 6, 7. Yes, I know it's like the 2026, but it's fun to do. And it asks how many legs are there in total. So first, how many legs how many legs does a cat have? That is so hard, I cannot solve it. But yeah, I'm just kidding, it's 4. And dogs, if you guys have a dog in your house, it's probably pretty obvious that there's like 4 legs on them as well. So we need to see how many legs there are in total. So every one cat and every one dog all have 4 legs. So we could do it like the pretty long way and do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and all the way down until we get like the correct answer. But there is something called multiplication. So we have 6 cats. So let's see how many legs there are in the cat legs are there in total. So we have 6 cats, and then actually this is just better. 4 legs, and since there are 6 cats, we have to times it by 6, which is gonna equal 24. And for 7 dogs, we could do the same way, since they also have 4 legs. So we have to times it by 7, which will equal 28. And then we can add all of these up, which goes 24, 28, 2, 1, 5. So the answer will be 52. But there is another way to do it. Hold on. We can add the 6 and 7 dogs and cats together. Because since they all have the same amount of legs, we can only do that if they have the same amount of legs, not if they have like different legs. So if we change the dog into like a chicken, then it's not gonna work. So we can put this in brackets, 6 plus 7, 6, 7, times 4. So now we have to do something called BEDMAS. So this is basically the order of operation of like when to do the whenever to do like what equation. So this one is brackets, exponent, and I'm going to explain each one after. Exponent, divide, multiply, add, and subtract. So brackets is basically these things. So these represent that we have to do the inside part first. For the exponents, it's basically the small number on top of a big number. So 4 to the power of 2. The exponents means that we have to times 4 by itself that amount of times. So for this, it will equal 4 times 4, which equals 16. So that is basically what exponents are, and you should know multiply, divide, add, and subtract, all of those things. So we use this, the step-by-step instructions. So for brackets, do we see any brackets here? Yes, we do. So we have to solve the inside of the brackets. But you might be like, but there's adding here, so we have to do the division first. Well, no, because there's brackets around, so we have to do whatever in the brackets. But if there is multiplication inside the brackets, we'll do that one first. But since there isn't any, we just add those up. So 6 plus 7 equals 13 times 4. And then you have to solve the multiplication over here. You could use a calculator for this, but this equals 52. This is the second way to solve this question, is to use BEDMAS, but the other one also works as well. I kind of like this one better since it's shorter. I always like the shortcut questions. Thank you for watching. Bye!